Every man knows the quiet fear of losing his edge. You wake up one day, and energy feels different, desire isn't as strong, and performance doesn't come as naturally. Erections fade faster, stamina drops, and intimacy feels more like a memory than a reality. For years, men have been told their only options were pills, risky treatments, or gimmicks that don't last. But what if the answer isn't found in a pharmacy at all? What if the solution has been sitting in your kitchen the entire time, waiting to be stirred into your morning coffee? Coffee is already a ritual. It's the first thing millions of men reach for every morning. But by adding a handful of natural ingredients, that simple cup can become more than just a wake-up call. It can become a tool for restoring erections, boosting testosterone, and rebuilding confidence. The formula is surprisingly simple: cinnamon, cocoa, maca root, coconut oil, and ginger. Each one supports blood flow, hormones, and energy in its own way, but together, they create a powerful synergy that helps men feel alive again, even well into their 70s and 80s. Cinnamon is the first. Beyond its warm, comforting flavor, cinnamon helps regulate blood sugar. High spikes and crashes in blood sugar damage circulation, and poor circulation is the enemy of erections. Cinnamon balances those spikes and keeps blood vessels more flexible. It also enhances nitric oxide, the molecule responsible for relaxing arteries, and allowing blood to surge where it matters most. Stirring half a teaspoon into your coffee doesn't just add taste. It strengthens the very foundation of circulation. Next is cocoa. Raw, unsweetened cocoa powder is packed with flavonols that boost nitric oxide and protect the endothelium, the lining of your blood vessels. Erections rely on nitric oxide to tell the arteries to expand and fill with blood. Without it, performance falters. With it, blood flows easily, erections become stronger, and endurance improves. Cocoa turns an ordinary cup into a circulation booster. It's not just about taste, it's about fueling the very chemistry your masculinity depends on. Then comes maca root, known for centuries as the vitality herb of the Andes. Traditional cultures used it for fertility, stamina, and drive. Modern studies confirm what they always knew. Maca enhances libido, increases energy, and restores a man's natural spark. It doesn't artificially alter hormones. It works by supporting balance and vitality in a natural way. A teaspoon of maca powder in coffee gives it a nutty edge and gradually reignites desire, building confidence that feels genuine rather than forced. Coconut oil is next. Many men don't realize how essential healthy fats are for testosterone production. Testosterone isn't just about sex. It's the hormone that governs energy, mood, and strength. Coconut oil provides medium-chain triglycerides, a unique type of fat quickly converted into smooth energy without a crash. At the same time, it gives your body the building blocks to sustain testosterone levels. A teaspoon blended into coffee creates a creamy texture, while fueling the system that drives both performance and vitality. And then there's ginger. For centuries, ginger has been valued as a healing root, and science now confirms its power for men. Ginger improves circulation, reduces inflammation, and enhances testosterone naturally. It also helps protect blood vessels from oxidative stress, one of the silent destroyers of erectile strength. Adding a small pinch of ginger powder, or blending in a thin slice of fresh ginger, gives coffee a warming kick and your body a surge of support for blood flow and hormones. Now imagine these 5 ingredients working together. Cinnamon balances sugar and protects vessels. Cocoa fuels nitric oxide and circulation. Maca root revives libido and stamina. Coconut oil supports testosterone and smooth energy. Ginger improves blood flow and shields hormones. Alone, each one makes a difference. Together, they create a coffee ritual that restores confidence, energy, and masculinity from the inside out. This isn't about quick fixes. Pills may give a temporary response, but they do nothing to repair what's broken. This approach strengthens the root systems, circulation, hormones, and energy. With consistency, results build naturally. In a few weeks, many men notice stronger morning erections and better daytime stamina. By 4 to 6 weeks, firmness improves, desire returns, and confidence rises. With time, the body begins to feel decades younger, not because of artificial tricks, but because the underlying systems are working again. And the beauty of this? It's natural. These are foods, not drugs. They're safe, familiar, and have been used for centuries. The key is moderation and consistency. You don't need large amounts. Half a teaspoon of cinnamon, a teaspoon of cocoa, a teaspoon of maca, a teaspoon of coconut oil, and a pinch of ginger is enough. Small daily doses that your body can absorb and use. It should taste good, feel good, and become a habit you look forward to. Picture yourself 2 months from now. You wake up with stronger energy, sharper focus, and morning erections you thought were gone for good. You walk taller, you feel younger, and intimacy no longer brings anxiety, it brings excitement. Your partner sees the difference, not only in performance, but in the confidence you carry into every part of life. All of that begins with a cup of coffee that does more than just wake you up. It wakes your body back up. Men, aging does not mean surrender. Your masculinity is not gone. It is waiting, hidden behind habits that strengthen or weaken the body over time. Pills and gimmicks don't fix the foundation. But cinnamon, cocoa, maca, coconut oil, and ginger do. 5 ingredients. 1 cup. A simple ritual that supports blood flow, fuels testosterone, and reignites the fire of intimacy. So here's the choice. Keep doing what you've been doing, hoping for change, or turn your daily coffee into the most powerful ritual of your life. The man you were is still inside you. Give him the fuel he needs, and watch how quickly he returns. If this message gave you clarity, don't stop here. Subscribe for more insights men are rarely told. Share your experience in the comments. Have you tried any of these ingredients before? And send this to a brother who needs to hear that masculinity doesn't vanish with age. It grows stronger with wisdom and the right habits. Stay sharp, stay grounded, and take back your vitality, 1 cup at a time.